In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location and Acuity scheduling. So if you want to change your location and your Acuity scheduling, what you can do is first head over to their site right here. So this is their URL, acuityscheduling.com. And then from there, you should be able to see in here this site. What you can do is you can click onto this get started right here or right here if you do not have an account yet. However, if you already have an account, just head over and click onto this login option. I'll head over and choose this one because I already have a Squarespace account, and Squarespace account can be used for your Acuity scheduling. Now this is what my site looks like. So in this case, is I want to change the location and Acuity, what I can do is I can head over right here to the actual settings of my Acuity right there. Just go over to the account that's squarespace.com and change your location directly from there. Wait for this to load. Click onto this account settings. You can see in here my details. Just change in here your website, and you can also change your actual profile as well as account and security. Now, if you want to change the actual location of the actual meeting that you have on the Acuity itself, what you can do is you can just choose an actual appointment that you have. So let's wait for this. Into this, click on this view calendar option. And then just choose in here the date as well as the time. So I have in here this. And I have in here this particular consultation. You can change the time zone that we have. You can also choose in here the actual details. You can do so by clicking onto this edit option right here, or you can click onto this gear icon and you can print this or schedule it however you want, and you can change your location as well as time zone. So that's how you change your location and Acuity scheduling. Hope we help.